Tim Albright with AVNation with an InfoComm 2018 special. I am your host. What we're doing is we are previewing the grand old trade show for the audiovisual industry in North America called InfoComm. It happens June 6th through the 8th in Las Vegas this June. With me today is Colin Barker. Colin is from Exterity. Welcome, sir.
Hi.
What we're doing is Colin is in Hall N. 1464, Hall N, 1464. Real quickly, Colin, Exterity is known for video over IP and digital signage.
Yes.
You and I actually talked at ISC this year, so I'm kind of excited to see you come to this side of
yes.
Atlantic. If somebody's walking through the North Hall, though, and they come upon the Exterity booth, real briefly, what are they going to find and what should they take away from your booth?
Yeah, so at the show, we'll be showing a complete range of IP video products. Now, that covers everything from head-end products that are doing encoding, compliant with HDCP, so doing secure distribution of video content from set-top box platforms as an example. But that right through video-on-demand platforms and all the rest of the products that we have which create video content across networks. They'll see that. They'll also see our endpoint capability, delivery to various displays, live television, live video content distribution, but also integrated with that digital signage. And there's a couple of new things that you'll see as part of that at the show. A couple of things that are for us progression from where we were when we were at ISC, Tim. We'll be having our new smart control application. And one of the things that we've seen, certainly in a lot of our larger deployments, is that there's an increased need to provide a different range of tools, a very flexible range of tools to help our end users access content, deliver that content to different displays, understand what's happening, grouping devices together, creating schedules for delivery of content. And so more than we do in signage, but across the whole range of different application sets that we provide. So we do that already with our signage platform, but they want to do it across our middleware, our user experience capabilities, and also just generally for managing our devices. So that's pretty important, our new smart control app. They're going to see our new 4K signage platform, the NVIDIA Player M9405. That's new. We launched that. We mentioned that at ISC, but we're really going to be showing it in its full capability here at InfoComm. And that's really interesting and exciting to talk to folks about that. And the last thing probably they're going to see is a bit different from us. We have a new product called RTO Guest. Now, this is a product designed for the hospitality market, so it creates a sort of a guest experience on our platforms and with the smart TVs that we support. And so that allows somebody to define a set of channels, specify a set of video-on-demand content, create links to other material that you might want to create within that kind of guest environment. And certainly we target that into hotels, into the cruise industry, very importantly. But the capabilities of that product we're going to be showing at InfoComm also map into the needs that we see in many of our education and corporate customers in the US, where they want to provide or to define a set of channels that are available on a particular device, and to make the experience of the viewer really easy for them to access the service, watch the video on demand content, whatever it might be, and then brand that as well, so the whole experience is branded for the organization. So we'll be showing that again as part of what we're doing at InfoComm. Should be quite exciting, I hope.
Let's go back for a second to your smart control app. You were saying that you can kind of pick and choose what content is going where. Is this something where you're looking at it from an education standpoint for not just mass notification, emergency mass notification, but wayfinding and stuff like that, where you have individual schools, let's say, the department head or stuff like that?
It's got a whole range of applications. We certainly are looking to, we want people to group displays regardless of display type. So maybe a smart TV, for example, a smart display, or it might be one of our set-top box platforms. But to group these together and then be able to disseminate information and material based on whatever time of day decisions being made. Very important in education. We see lots of stages in the day when the use of a display changes. So it might be a signage display at one point of the day. It might be being used just for live television or video delivery at another point of the day. It might become something different later on. And so we want to make it as easy as possible for our customers to achieve this. And we've always been able to do this. This is not something new, but we've created some new tools to make that whole process a little bit simpler. Drag and drop, easy grouping. It's very much, if you've seen our RTO sign, digital signage platform, that was the first in our next generation of sort of drag and drop applications that we've been developing. And so we're taking that same methodology and look and feel, and we're now applying that to more and more of the tools that we provide. And smart controls are really essentially the first of those new products that we're bringing to market around that new kind of interface methodology.
Very good. One thing I would be remiss if I didn't talk about this with you before we let you go. You have Exterity has a extensive training program when it comes to their dealers and the folks who are putting their products in. Obviously, you guys are based in Europe. You're coming over here and showing it in InfoComm, the North American show. So if I'm a North American dealer, how can I connect with Exterity and get some of the education that you guys are so famous for?
So we have a team based in the US. My guys are distributed around the US, in the Northeast, in New York, in Texas. And we have the support of our distribution partner, JB&A, out on the West Coast. My team provide a complete channel support service, both sales support and technical assistance. As part of that technical assistance, we provide extensive training to our channel partners to help them understand our products, absolutely, but also to understand the detail of AV over IP, the complexity of using the IP network for video distribution effectively. So, we make sure that our partners are well equipped to deal with those kind of challenges, and the partners that we have do a fantastic job with our products to deliver some really large scale projects which use the network very efficiently, and a lot of our training and support goes into making sure that happens.
But that training, though, happens locally?
It happens locally in the US, yeah. So we provide training to our partners in the US, and we'll do so through either at central locations or with the partners in their locations.
There we go. All right. Again, you guys are in Hall N 1464, N as in North, Hall 1464. If somebody is not going to be in Vegas between the 6th and 8th of June, however they want to follow along with what Exterity is going to be showing that week and afterwards, how do they connect with you guys?
So, obviously we're available on our website, www.exterity.com, and you can follow us on social media, either on Twitter or LinkedIn, and you'll find about everything that's going on within the company.
Colin Farker from Exterity, thank you so much, sir. Again, Hall N 1464, North Hall 1464. For us here at AVNation, go to avnation.tv, avnation.tv. You can watch more videos like this as we preview InfoComm 2018. Also check out our weekly news programs and so much more at the website, avnation.tv, avnation.